Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wild world of digital security. You think your social media accounts are safe? Think again. Every click, every login, every innocent photo shared is a potential invitation for trouble. Hackers are out there, lurking, waiting for a moment of carelessness. That's why you need to step up your game and embrace Facebook super security like it's your best friend. First up, two-factor authentication. Don't even think about skipping this. It's your fortress, your second line of defense. Even if someone manages to snag your password, they can't breach your castle without that extra code. And those login alerts? They're like personal watchdogs, barking at the slightest hint of intruders. Change your password regularly, mix it up, and trust your friends enough to set up trusted contacts. Secure your digital home, and you'll sleep better knowing you've locked the door against unwelcome guests. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for my next important video. Thank you!